Lomit spray-on-attic heat barrier only takes about a half a day to apply, whether you hire a pro or do it yourself. Here's what you need: safety gear, drop cloths to fit your space, a paint mixer, an airless sprayer with a low pressure setting, and a self-cleaning 13 thousandths or 15 thousandths inch spray tip, and a wand extension if needed. Check our website or product instructions for more details. Lomit comes in one pail, ready to go. Before you start, turn off power ventilation and all HVAC equipment, and make sure your roof is above freezing temperature. Make sure that your surface is dust and cobweb free. Pre-mix Lomit for 2 to 3 minutes. Then evenly spray the entire surface, including rafters, truss members, sidewalls, and gable ends. If you get Lomit on electrical wiring, it's okay, but avoid light fixtures and outlets, as well as soffits, ridges, or gable vents that could get Lomit on your home's exterior. Mix as you go to keep pigment evenly distributed, and only apply one coat. It's all you need for Lomit to work. Cleanup is easy, just use soap and water. And you can breathe easy too. Lomit is low VOC with a vanilla scent. Lomit may take a few weeks to fully cure, but starts working right away. Be sure to leave a 2-inch airspace if you install other insulation down the road. Lomit must face an airspace on one side in order to work. Read instructions before applying. Have any questions? We have the answers. Give us a call at 609-883-7700.